What if I told you there's a brand new dev software that lets you pull 50 to 70 SOL per coin if you play the game right? Seriously, it's crazy that people are out here driving McLarens and flashing heavy watches. At the same time, you might be grinding away at a 9 to 5 just to make half a SOL a day. Okay, I know some of you are living that reality right now, but don't stress. Today, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step breakdown on how top devs are launching meme coins every single day. Let's jump straight in.
Looking for a free boost to get started? Make sure to stay until the end. I'll randomly drop multiple souls somewhere in this video and you won't want to miss your chance.
Everything starts with Axiom because it's a free go-to tool for tracking what's actually moving in the meme coin world. While most people are busy with trading and watching charts all day, a new method, deving a coin on Solana, is actually where the real, consistent money is. Look at this dead token. The dev just dumped and pulled the liquidity, leaving everyone else holding the bag. Instead of being someone else's exit liquidity, you can be the one launching the project and actually seeing the profit. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint I use every single time. If you've seen my older videos, you know we hit solid market caps consistently. I'm going to show you which platform is actually worth your time, my 2 go-to launch strategies, and how to set up your liquidity. I'll even show you the promotion tools I use for that initial pump, and most importantly, the exact moment to take your profit. First up, we have to settle the debate, Pump.fun or Raydium. If you check the photon filters for Pump.fun, the traffic is insane, but most of it is just rug gamers with zero real momentum. Your coin will just get buried in the noise, and when I switch to Raydium, there's less clutter, and the market caps are actually real. My personal strategy is to take a viral meme that's trending on Pump.fun, and having a good market cap is perfect to launch it on Raydium instead. It's less crowded, the fees are better and cheaper than Pump.fun, and you get way more eyes on the project. For these launches, I've been using launchmeme.fun. It's honestly the cleanest launchpad for Raydium right now because it lists your token instantly. You get immediate exposure to thousands of active buyers the second you go live, and you still keep full control over your supply. Now, there are basically 2 strategies to create a coin. First option, you build something from scratch. If you already have a community, a project idea, or even just a strong narrative you think can go viral, you can turn that into a meme coin and launch it on the Create Coin tab. You can even hunt for trending narratives on X or using the free Twitter tracker. Connect your Phantom wallet. The goal is to move fast. There are thousands of tweets hitting the feed every second from massive accounts. With this tool, you can basically turn those viral moments into coins instantly. It's that quick. You can use it to launch your own stuff, or just use the data to trade and check what's happening in the meme coin market. It's totally up to you. Second option, and this is my favorite, is the copy trending coins strategy. Basically, instead of guessing what might work, you're taking coins that are already blowing up on Pump.fun. These tokens already have momentum, real volume, active buyers, and most importantly, a proven narrative. So what you do is simple. You copy those coins directly to Raydium. Now you're not starting from zero. You're tapping into existing demand. You're putting your version of the coin in front of a fresh wave of traders. And since the original coin is already viral, you've got a much higher chance of attracting buyers, sometimes even outperforming the original. So yeah, your odds of catching early profits are just way better with this method. Alright, let me show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. So first of all, connect your Phantom wallet. Mine is already connected. Once you're in, hit refresh and start looking for a coin that actually has the potential to run. Something with a strong narrative, good market cap, basically something that could turn into a banger. For this example, I'm going with Troll Coin. Just click Copy to Raydium. Your Phantom wallet will pop up and yeah, you'll probably see a warning. That's completely normal. Every launchpad throws that in at the start. Just click Proceed, then I understand, and confirm everything. Give it a few seconds, and boom, your token is live. If you open it on SolScan, you can literally see it was minted just seconds ago. Everything's legit. Everything works exactly how it should. Alright, now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our token. Go back to the site and click on Create Liquidity Pool. This page is actually super simple. For those who don't really know what's going on here, we're basically setting up the pool that allows people to start buying and selling your token. Once this is live, your coin becomes tradable directly on Raydium. And yeah, this step is mandatory. If you don't do this, your coin isn't really live on chain, and nobody can trade it. Now, for the token amount, just select 90%. That means 90% of your supply is going into the pool. Right below that, you'll see the option to pair it with Sol. This is basically your first buy into your own coin. And listen, you're not losing money here. You're simply swapping a bit of Sol for your own token supply. That's what creates the initial liquidity and lets others trade. If you ever want to pull your money back out, you can just sell later, and it goes straight back to your Phantom wallet. So don't overthink it. It's not like you're burning funds or anything. For this example, I'm putting in 0.3 Sol. Now hit Create Pool. Your Phantom wallet will pop up like always. You'll probably see that warning again. Completely normal. Every transaction has it. Just click Proceed, then I understand, and finally hit Confirm. Give it a few seconds. And boom, your coin is now officially live and open for trading. Okay, people can see our coin, and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on Refresh, and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 78 bucks, which is a 7.10% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. All right, now click on View on Photon. As you can see, our token is already live and it's starting to get some buyers. But now we're going to take it to the next level and add some momentum. To do that, I use a quick promotion tool. Instead of wasting hours manually posting and trying to get attention, just head over to PromoteMemes.fun. This platform gives your token instant exposure across major trackers like DexScreener, GMGN, and Birdeye, all automatically. Let's do it live. First, connect your Phantom wallet. Then just paste your token address and choose your promotion package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 Sol option for maximum reach. You can select whatever package you want to and make sure you toggle Include Free Website. This part is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this one Trollcoin. Select Raydium and hit Confirm. After that, click Pay and Promote. Your Phantom wallet will pop up again. Click Confirm. And that's it, you're done. Now watch this. In just a few seconds, it starts building a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. Just like that, you've got a clean landing page with your token details, tokenomics, and real-time chart links. Everything an investor needs to see. Now jump back to Photon and watch your live chart start moving. Oh my god, look at this! If I had to guess, I think we're up around 2,000 or 3,000 bucks. Bang, bro, so many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my god, bro, more and more people are buying in. I think we're up like $4,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane if the meme is hot. And if you use the right tool for MemeCoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back, and you can see some people selling our coin, but we are up to a $9,000 liquidity. It's actually fucking insane. And it's already up a lot, so I'm gonna, dump it. Now, come back to launchmeme.fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 7K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity. Wait for Phantom Wallet to just show up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $7,542 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out.
Before you jump in and start building a coin, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away multiple souls to so many people to help cover your initial deployment costs. Here's how you can enter. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Give this video a like and leave a comment below with the words launch. I'll choose the winner in exactly 48 hours and announce it on my Telegram channel. Be sure to follow it, because if you're not following, you won't be eligible to receive any soul coins. I also share regular giveaways there, so keep your eye on it and don't miss your chance.